with my ito siya paggabi. Day 3. So we're going to S Village today. So magti-take lang kami ng bus. And then 2 buses actually. Bus 57 and then 82 from our place. Kasi pag nag-train, medyo may 30 minutes hike. So mas convenient sa amin yung bus. So ayan. See you there. That's bus 82 going to S Village. Kaya lang, haba ng pila. Nandun sa likod. Grabe, ang tagal namin naghintay. Ang daming tao. Okay, so we arrived here in S Village after ng bus war. Grabe, ang haba ng pila tapos ang daming sumisingit. Nakakainis. And dumaan ako dito sa casino. Bumili na ng baon bago umakyat. That's the store. Andun pa sila tita sa loob. This is just across the bus stop. Yung bus stop andun. Tapos lakad ka lang dyan. Tapos yan na yung casino. And then doon na yung paakyat ng village. So let's go. The famous perfume Mer. Actually, merong tour para makita yung paggawa nila ng perfumes. We're going to Jadarda Exotic here in S. Okay, so we're here at Jadarda Exotic here in S Village with my baguette.
지금 여기가 원래
Ang ganda dito. So I think kailangan nyo lang talaga umakyat. So we're at S Village. Medyo may mga steps lang na sobrang steep. And pataas talaga siya, so nakakapagod. But all is worth it pag ganito ko na sa taas. Like this one. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Wow. Tita Mitch. Tita Joy. This is the top of the village. We made it to the summit.
To the top, to the top.
Smile. Where are we?
We're on the top of Harvey Exotic in S and Lodge.
I've been to the south of France for like 4 times and I haven't been to this beauty. Grabe, ang ganda pala dito. It's a must. You should visit this when you're in south. Okay, so we're going down. sana walang madapa sa amin. So, paakyat and pababa. Okay, so tapos na kami sa Jardin Exotic. So, ayun. Nga pala, merong ticket doon na 8 euros. Yung sa amin, we bought it online. But you can buy it here. Then, meron silang ticket shop before going in. And also, madaming kiosk na pwede kayong bumili. Pero I suggest na buy it online na in advance para hindi na kayo pumila ng madami. Hindi na kayo ma-stuck sa pila. Kasi medyo, minsan lalo na pag peak season, mahaba yung pila. So, ayun. Ang sungit naman ni Miss. Ay, hindi ka pala. I have my baguette. And my ham. Bon appétit. Hi, Tita. What's that? We're taking pizza margarita. Hindi din yung ibang mga kumakain. Okay, so pinag-retouch niya. And this retouch is brought to you by Clean and Clear All Control Film. They are under the olive tree. You know, this is an olive tree. In fact, about olive tree, pwede sila mabuhay ng sobrang tagal. Like centuries old olive tree. Fresh. Init. So, tapos na kami dito sa Ez. Pupunta na kami ng Montong. So, mag-beach din kami doon. So, we're waiting for the bus. Medyo matagal. Parang mag-iisang oras na kami naghihintay dito. We're gonna take the bus going to Gare de Est sa terminal ng Ez. To take the train going to Montong. Medyo matagal. Buti na lang nakalilim ako. Ngayon na ang daming tao dito eh. Ayan, ngayon na ang daming tao dyan. Ngayon, nawala na sila. So, we arrive here now in Montong. Grabe, ang tagal na naghintay ng train kasi delayed din. So, this day is a delayed day. Sobrang daming ka-delaydan. But, all is well. Hanapin lang namin yung papunta ng beachfront. And then, mag-beach kami dito. So, ayun, lakad-lakad lang dito sa Montong. Second time ko na dito actually. And, it's nice. Gusto ko dito kasi old yung vibe. Maganda. Medyo rustic yung place. Actually, itong Monton, malapit na to sa Italy. Kaya meron na siyang mga signage. If you wanted to go to Italy, And this one going to Nice and Monaco. This is so nice. The tone. Galing. And also, Montong is very famous with their lemon products. Like lemoncillo, yung mga lemon bread, lemon cookies, ganyan. Gusto ko nito. This is an olive plant. Pero 4 years old na daw siya. Very rare. But it's 39 euros. So, there is McDonald's. Ayun na. Tita. It's McFlurry time. Sige, sobrang init.
Nag-prepare sa ating damo.
Did you try some bread? Yeah.
Can I buy this one?
Ça dépend la taille. C'est comment vous
Il y a des prix affichés, je sais pas si vous voyez à gauche.
Wow. Oh, hindi lang kita sa akin. Wow. Okay, so tapos na kami mag-swimming. Lobat na yung mic ko, so ayun. Pabalik na kami ng Nice. Maglalakad-lakad lang kami ng konti pa dito sa Montong. Oh, nice. Oh, hello. Hello.
Just finished swimming.
Hello. Kumarang si Kuya. Yung mga puno na yan, yung green na yan, those are orange trees. Ang cool. Kaya lang wala silang bunga. Naubos na. There's our confit. This is the area where we are staying. Ito siya paggabi. Hi!
Hi!
Okay, so we're back in Nice. So that's it for today. So today nag-SN Montong tayo. and nag-beach. So, ayun. See you on the next vlog. Thank you! Bye!